Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Edna G and I will show you how to download your favorite Smule videos directly to your phone gallery. By following these simple steps, you will be able to save it from your phone and be able to upload it to your favorite websites such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and to your other online social media accounts. But before starting, click the thumbs up button below and watch my video until the end. Okay, first you need to open up your app store. Then tap Video Downloader. Scroll down and search for the application named Video Saver Pro 360. Once found, try to download the application. Wait for a few seconds until it's fully downloaded. When it's done, then click Open. As you can see, there's a pop-up notification that says it wants to activate your media library. Press OK. Another pop-up notification for password. It's up to you if you need a password or not. Then proceed to Download Browser. Find the address bar. This is where you're going to paste the URL and take it to its site. Next step is to open up your Smule account. This is exclusively for Smule lovers and singers. Open up your selected video from the catalog choice. Then click Share. After it's been copied from the clipboard, get back to the video saver and paste the URL or link from Smule. As you can see, it's already been copied. Check on File and let it play. Look for the download symbol and press it to save camera roll. Allow pop up for access. Press OK. This will transfer directly to your gallery or personal photos. Then lastly, open up your gallery. As you can see, it's already been transferred to your personal videos and photos. Now you could upload this to your favorite online such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and other online social media accounts. Thank you for watching. I am Edna G and see you on my next video.